Yo, my people. Sorry for the delay. I was busy in a call here, as you might have heard, and but now I'm back. Full attention on the charts, and there's a lot of things going on. So give me 1 second. Let me just see if I can get my headphones to work. All right, guys. Hope you got your coffees, teas, whatever ready. A lot of stuff happening in the markets, and we are jumping. We jumping straight into it, but hopefully you guys have already jumped into it. So first, let me know in the chat who was in the Mexican peso cell, in this cell that I just called out in the Prosperous channel. I see we only got 2 people live here right now, but still low. Mexican peso, anybody? Tequila, taco? Ah, nobody likes the peso. All right. All right. So first and foremost, let's break the Mexican peso trade down. So we have fundamentals that is pushing this market down. And I broke it all down in the market overview that I posted, I think it was 2 days ago, Monday. So if you haven't seen it, go watch it. Now I break the whole trade down. It's still super valid. And what is that we have Mexican election. And just before Mexican election, every 6th year before the Mexican election, we see this type of pumps. And after that, you will see a couple of weeks of downtrend. Market pushes down, all right? So what has happened is that market dipped into this order block here, this supply zone, smacked and heavily rejected. The only thing is I totally missed it. I wasn't ready here, so I missed it. What can you do? It is what it is, but it doesn't mean that we can't catch the trade still because it's a long way down. We're talking about a couple of thousand pips down here. This is on a weekly time frame, so it's much more than it looks like. And so if we zoom in a little bit from weekly to 4 hourly, I would even say the hourly just to zoom in really on this order block. So let's go to the 4 hourly first. You have this order block here, boom, that made this push. And this push is important. Why? Because you see this here. High, low, high, low, high. So what happened here? This low was taken out. And it was taken out by this order block. This order block made a push that took out the that low. So therefore, this order block is very important for us. This is the order block that we focus on and that we want to take the sell from now. I called out a sell earlier this week, but that sell didn't. That sell went 90 pips in profit. We took our profit. Actually, this is the old take profit that you see here from that sell. And then the market reversed. So this is exactly the price action you see here. We took the sell, market reversed, stopped us out at break even, and now we're in for a re-entry because we still got the same fundamentals pushing this market down. Okay, so give me 1 sec here. I just want to check something. Yeah, everything is good. I just have to keep track on my own trade so that everything is as it should be. All right, so now what has happened is market came perfectly in, and I'm actually happy for this because now everybody got the chance to catch this trade again. All right, so we're back in this order block. We're rejecting it, showing nice strong rejection, and market should now make its way down to this first take profit here, which actually will be adjusted. I will put the take profit here now on this order block because this order block down here has already been mitigated. All right, this is the old order block mitigated. Of course, market will have some form of reaction to that one too, But this is the order block we are counting on now. So this is the order block where we're going to have our take profit. See if we can grab this line. Boom, like that. All right. So right now, market is messing around. It's above the 200-day EMA. There's a big chance the market wants to come up here again, back into this order block and mess around a little bit. It very often happens when you have strong order blocks like this, the market dips in several times. If you've been on my lives many times, then you know we have seen it. And we're always ready for that. That's why we don't move stop loss directly down. We wait till we break at least a couple of lows. I would say in this case here on the hourly, we have this low here that we need to break. And that will strongly confirm our sell. But there's nothing wrong in catching the sell already here. Like I said, strong order block, but we need to keep the stop loss above this high. So that is that for the Mexican peso. The way down is far, it's long, and we have, I think it's a couple of thousand pips. I mean, wait, let me count this a little bit. We had from here, what was it? From here down to here, we had about 90 pips. So from here, $90, $180, $270. So about 400 pips down there. All right. That's a situation with the Mexican peso. We have a nice pullback on this one right now. If you wonder why I get quiet sometimes, it's because I gotta look through my trades, see what's going on here. All right, cool. On the other hand, I have the EJ. This one I didn't call it out in the Prosperous channel, but it's starting to get valid again. So I took the trade this morning from 170.950 ish, and I re-entered the trade here at 171.233. All right, and this re-entry is basically getting valid again. You could re-enter even from 171.300. Have your stop loss below here. I would just to be safe put it below these lows here. So at around 171.050. Okay, if you want to re-enter on this one. The way up is long. So what I'm targeting with this trade is $171.60 or 64 if you want to be precise. It's the first stop I'm targeting. After that, I'm just trailing stop loss, but trailing stop loss with a target, and that target is 171.8 890. Or even say 880, just to be safe. So that's what I'm looking at there. I'm also in a sell on gold, sorry, on BTC, and I'm taking that sell on Bybit. So if you are taking it on your MetaTrade, I recommend to take the crypto trades separately on Bybit. You can trade it with leverage on the derivatives platform there. Bybit has one of the best derivatives platforms in the world, from all exchanges in the world, and you can use my link in the description box below on the stream, and that will give you an up to 30,000 deposit bonus, 30,000 US dollar deposit bonus. So definitely use that link. Use Bybit to trade your crypto. Keep it separated, because sometimes, or very often, when we do these crypto trades, we have them for a long time. We keep them for weeks, even. So even the leverage trades, we keep them for weeks. So that is that, and that trade is actually valid now. So if you want to enter that trade, that is still valid right now. I just took the sell. I took it actually early today, but it's been very low volume, not very much happening. So I'm looking for market maybe to retrace up to this order block here and make a new push from there. But all of this that you see from here at about 61,343 all the way up to about 62,420 is what I consider the entry zone. Okay. Yo, what's up, Drippy? Haven't seen you in a long time, man. We've been missing you on the streams, most definitely. Okay, so once again, we have the BTC trade that I'm looking at right now. Entry at about right now, all the way up to about 62,450 is what is my entry zone. We have the peso, the US dollar Mexican peso trade that is in the entry zone right now perfectly. So you definitely want to enter that one as well. And that is a swing trade, so you can keep it. You can take your full take profit here at about 17.95. That will give you a good, I think it's like 90 pips or maybe even more. Oh man, 100, 110, 120 pips. So, and by the way, when you count pips on the Mexican peso, it's a bit different. This is why I cannot give you the exact pips, because it's I have to use a calculator. It's not the regular way of counting pips. So that's that. We are in that one as well. I'm in an EJ trade, and that one is, if you want to re-enter it, if you haven't entered it yet, I would say wait until it comes down here to this order block down here. So at about, at least down to 171.310. But yeah, we'll see, because it's very bullish right now. I hope some of you caught it, got it. We are breaking this high right now, so we might, if we're lucky, we might see a deeper pullback, and that will present an entry for y'all, and then you can get in. I got in here already at 170.950. So I'm chilling with my trade, holding it all the way to take profit. At least to take profit one, which is at 171.650. So that's the situation. These three trades is what I'm focusing on right now. US dollar versus Mexican peso, euro versus Japanese won, and BTC. All right. We will later on, we will focus a little bit more on Solana because I'm very bullish on Solana. There's a lot of fundamentals confirming a lot of bullishness for Solana. Actually, technically also, when we're looking at it, what has it done? This whole order block here, market just broke above this order block and has tested it as support right now. That is very strong. That is very strong. Opa. So we are on top of this order block right now, on top of the weekly key level. Solana is looking very strong. It's only what makes me doubt it is BTC, because BTC is very bearish right now. So I want to see how BTC moves in this zone. Let's say BTC breaks up, invalidates this trade, stops us out, moves up. I would go very bullish on Solana. Because Solana, I'm basically just waiting for the market to turn. I want to go in heavy on it. This is what I see for Solana right now. See either us coming down, retesting this, the weekly key level as support, or as I prefer, what I want to see, market push down into this order block, preferably into this extreme order block, and start pushing up from there. If we push down here, as soon as we get a reversal candle, I will enter for a buy with leverage. So yeah. But guys, that's it for right now. That's ain't much more to debate about it. I'm not going to talk about gold as normal. There ain't a stream where I'm not talking about gold, but I'm not going to do it now because, to be honest, I'm not sure where this thing wants to go. I was looking at a sell this morning. It didn't happen. I want the market to come up to the stop loss cluster and then dip from there. Now, I don't want to get into anything on this. We are in an order block right now, right here. So if you want to sell, if you eagerly want to jump into gold, this is the sell. I think I'm good with the trades I'm in already. I don't want to get in too many things in the same time. So I think I'm going to skip this one actually. I'm not vibing at 100%. Yes, we have a downtrend. I don't know. I'm not vibing at 100%. We'll see. Maybe if I get some more reversal confirmations. 200 EMA. Yeah, we'll see. The thing is also, it's not good to get in too many trades also, because you want to know what you're doing. And later on, either if you won or you lost, you want to be able to understand and know why you won or why you lost, because you always want to develop as a trader, right? You don't get better. You don't win more because you take more trades. You win more because you take more deliberate, calculated trades, all right, that you analyze properly. Guys, with that said, I'm wrapping this up. Have a beautiful afternoon, and I'll see you guys in the chat, all right? And I will follow up on these trades in the Prosperous Telegram channel. If you ain't in it, make sure you join it, all right? Trade safe. Peace.